Hi guys, this is Flavio from techbeatph.com. It's been a while since our last real-world review of a gaming laptop. Today we're going to review the ASUS 505DU gaming laptop. So this is a superb gaming laptop, so do stick around the video and see what we think of it.
First of all, we would like to thank our good friends from ASUS for letting us use the TUF Gaming Notebook. The TUF FX505DU has all the ports on the left side of the computer. The full keyboard is a nice touch with the backlit keyboard and the special highlighted WASD keys. This bad boy packs the AMD Ryzen 7 3750H processor, 8GB of DDR4 memory, and a 1660 Ti graphics card. Of course, when we evaluated the laptop, we also put them through benchmarking tests. We used Cinebench R15, PC Mark 10, and 3D Mark to evaluate the laptop. But the most important part of this hands-on test is gaming. We played CSGO and we did not encounter any problems. We also played Dota 2, one of the most popular games on the highest settings. We also did not encounter any problems and we experienced very nice and high frame rates.
So there you have it guys, a real-world review of the ASUS TUF Gaming 505DU. So for its entry-level position, its price point, it gives us a solid performance. For its performance, we give this the silver rating. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, click that notification bell icon from anything coming from techbeatph.com. We would also like to hear from you. Put down in the comments on what you think of the review and what do you want to see next from techbeatph.com.